Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that's becoming more crucial than ever: degoogling your digital life. In 2026, this isn't just about finding a single search engine replacement. It's about meticulously rebuilding your entire personal digital ecosystem. While Google's integrated suite offers undeniable convenience, you can achieve an even more robust and private setup. We'll cherry-pick the absolute best-in-class independent tools available right now. Get ready to reclaim your data and digital freedom. Let's start with the products you likely use most often. Switching these core services provides the highest privacy return on investment. These are your daily drivers, and we've got some fantastic alternatives. For your search engine, consider Brave Search. Unlike many others, it uses its own independent web index, not just Google or Bing. It even features a built-in AI, Answer with AI, tool that truly rivals Google's Gemini. Then there's DuckDuckGo, the gold standard for simple, no-tracking search, now with Duck.ai for private AI chats. And for a premium experience, Kagi is a paid, ad-free search engine. Because you are the customer, not the product, its results are famously cleaner and more useful. When it comes to email and calendar, Proton Mail from Switzerland is a powerhouse. It offers end-to-end encryption, meaning even Proton cannot read your emails. Their easy switch tool can import your entire Gmail history and forward new mail automatically. Tuta, formerly Tutnota, is another excellent choice. It's similar to Proton but often praised for its even more minimalist design and secure calendar integration. For your browser, Firefox remains the most robust alternative. Use it with multi-account containers to keep your work, social, and shopping identities strictly separated. Alternatively, Brave browser is built on Chromium, so it feels familiar like Chrome. However, it strips out Google's trackers by default and includes native ad blocking for a cleaner experience. If you rely on Google Docs and Drive for work, these alternatives provide that same collaborative feel without the data harvesting. You can maintain productivity while enhancing your privacy. For cloud storage, Proton Drive offers end-to-end encrypted storage, keeping your files truly private. For collaborative documents, CryptPad provides zero-knowledge editing, ensuring they can't see your docs. If spreadsheets are your thing, OnlyOffice boasts high compatibility with Microsoft Excel and Google Sheet formats. Finally, for photos, Ente is a paid cloud service, or for the technically inclined, Image lets you self-host your photos on a home server. This is often the hardest part of degoogling, as it sometimes requires hardware changes. But the privacy benefits are immense. For your smartphone OS, GrapheneOS is a hardened version of Android that removes all Google services. It's widely considered the most secure mobile OS available, running primarily on Pixel hardware. Calyx OS is a slightly more user-friendly DeGoogled OS. It includes MicroG, allowing some apps to work without needing a full Google account. For navigation, Organic Maps is an open-source, offline-first map based on OpenStreetMap. It simply doesn't track your location history. Magic Earth is another excellent option for privacy-conscious turn-by-turn navigation, complete with live traffic data. Replacing YouTube's vast content library is uniquely challenging. However, there are strong contenders for specific use cases. Odyssey and LibreWolf are decentralized video platforms where creators truly own their content. For desktop users, FreeTube is a private YouTube client. It lets you subscribe to channels and watch videos without a Google account or ads, offering a much cleaner viewing experience. While you can replace about 95% of Google's functionality, two things remain incredibly difficult to replicate. First, YouTube's content library is unmatched. No other platform has the same depth of how-to videos and niche educational content. Second, Google's live traffic data is superior because it tracks billions of Android phones in real time. Alternatives like Organic Maps are great for directions, but less accurate for exact arrival times in heavy traffic. Degoogling is a journey, not a destination. But with these incredible tools, you are well on your way to a more private and secure digital life in 2026.